Another part in the Atherton Union beautification is complete, as a new set of murals have been put up for all students to enjoy. The artist behind the murals is Blythe Edwards, who also did the murals in the Johnson Boardroom in Robertson Hall. Anyone who had an admissions tour might remember that room. Butler Student Government Association has been working on the Atherton Union refresh for a few years now, as they are responsible for the plants, elevator wraps, and signage. Student Body President Katie Stanley shares the reason behind the mural.
We wanted something that kind of encapsulated this part of campus and all parts of student life that kind of center out of this building. You'll notice that some of the students are wearing Butler t-shirts or organization t-shirts, and they're playing spike ball, a very common sight you see on the mall, or they're hanging around the Bulldog statue, which is kind of a key part of your Butler experience. I don't know a single Butler student that doesn't have a picture, or at least with the Bulldog statue in it in some capacity.
In addition to a student mural, a second one was commissioned to honor Butler's live mascot. Butler Blue the Force handler Evan Krause talks about this honor and if he thinks it captures Blue's likeness.
It's pretty special to see your dog and the Butler's live mascot be immortalized in a mural like that. At the end of every live mascot's career, they do get an official portrait, but to have this little bonus piece of art of Blue is very special to see. It has that beautiful bulldog side eye captured perfectly, and it really captures his presence.
If you're like me, you might think that this mural is exceptionally BU-tiful. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Multimedia Editor Eva Hallman.